Alright, chat. This is minus 12 degrees Celsius right now. Fucking freezing outside. I'm wearing shorts. We're gonna try. Wait, this is what? Yeah, day. No, seriously, day 65 maybe. Okay. We're gonna try to light up a fire. You know, I'm gonna throw in some sticks. We'll see what happens. Shit. The fire won't go. It's not working. We're gonna put the winter jacket. I'm gonna try the winter jacket. It's not working, man. It says you are cold. Fuck, the winter jacket doesn't work, man. This winter jacket is fucking useless, man. Fuck this, man. Might as well burn the winter jacket with the sticks, maybe. You know? I'm gonna burn the winter jacket with the sticks. Shit. No, I need another lighter. Actually, I'm gonna warm myself with something else. Alright, day 65. We're gonna crap up a beer. And then we're gonna try to light up this winter jacket with the sticks. Wish me luck, chat. Next stream, we're gonna try to light up this winter jacket. See ya.